Tonight, cleanup after powerful storms slam Volusia County.
I've gone through tornadoes and hurricanes, my life in Florida, and this just take the cake is bad.
People trapped in homes, roofs ripped off buildings, chaos on the roads. Part of downtown DeLand underwater.
I mean, downtown is known to flood in the past, but in the 5 years I've worked here, I've never seen it like that.
The possible tornado packing a punch. And tonight we have team coverage on the moment of impact, the rescues, and what's next. This is News 6 at 11. I'm Lisa Bell.
And I'm Matt Austin. The latest update from Volusia County, the Red Cross has been called in to help. Right now, crews are working late into the night trying to restore power for thousands who are left in the dark and clear trees and debris from those roads. Tomorrow, the National Weather Service will be in DeLand surveying that damage. Most of the destruction is centered in northern DeLand near East Plymouth Avenue.
Again, all of this stems from a possible tornado. The tornado warning expired at 4:15 this afternoon. Cell phone video of the storm sent to us by Grand Avenue Recycling may show the formation of a twister. All new tonight, people are describing the moment the storm hit. News 6's Nikki Zizaza begins our team coverage from Volusia County.
Nearly everyone I spoke to say they are overwhelmed by the sense of community following this devastation. This area was hit so badly, some people I spoke to say they had no access to get into their home. The sights and sounds you hear is of the cleanup from remnants of Tuesday's apparent tornado in this DeLand neighborhood. A possible tornado destroying homes.
It hasn't even directly hit me yet.
Tearing roofs off structures.
I heard a sound of a big, huge train coming, and I was like, Lord have mercy.
And livelihoods.
I panicked. I started crying. This is terrible.
Ophelia Curcio says she was in her sunroom moments before the storm pummeled through her home along Compton Court.
My husband said, "Did you hear that?" And it was like a roaring noise.
Damaging winds.
And next thing he says, "Move it. We have to get out of here." And then we went to the hallway.
Across the street, Kristen Fillion's home was not spared either.
We ended up hearing the loud storm, and then we actually all just kind of panicked all at once because the winds got heavy.
Her roommates' cars couldn't escape damage either.
We lifted up the garage window, and our garage was totally destroyed.
While the damage remains profound, most are grateful to be comforted by support.
You hear other people on television talking about what happened to them, and you never think that will happen to you.
Some homeowners say it'll take weeks to clean up because the extent of damage varies from home to home. However, the good news is there were no injuries or deaths. Reporting in DeLand, Nikki Zizaza, Getting Results, News 6.